Hi students, welcome back to the English grammar class. Okay, today in this section we will learn about the verb. Okay, do you know what is verb? Okay, verb is a all action word. Okay, all action word means we can say walk is an action. Then smile is an action. Write, read, sit, stand, play, write. Okay, all these actions, whatever we do is actions. Then verb means all the actions, all the action word. Then particularly we will call the action verb or doing word, whatever we do, then that those actions we will call action verb. Okay, whatever we do with our actions, okay, that is belong to the action verb. Okay, then in English there is also other types of verb. eh? Action verb we said whatever we do, example walk, eat, then dance, move, okay, sit, stand, all those are belong to the action verb, means whatever we do with our body, whatever we do with our hands, all those things. Then but there is also in English other verb that is not belong to the actions. Okay, now we will see, go and see what are those verb. For example, am, is, are, was, were. These words are not doing anything. Here is these words am, is, are. They are not doing any action. But these are also belong to the action. It is showing these words am, is, are, was, were is showing a state of being. Okay, a state of being. Because of that, these are also called, these are also included in the action. Okay, now we will call these, sorry, action, no, these are also included in verb. So that we will call them also helping verb or verb. This is also included as a verb, then we will call as helping verb. Then it is showing a state of being. Once again I will repeat, am, is, are, was, were, showing a state of being. Okay, but there is also other verb is showing some actions. Okay, now let us go and see what are the other. Has, have, had. Have, has, had. These three are also belong to the verb. Okay, this has, have, had is showing a possession. What they are showing? A possession. Because of that, has, have, had are also belong to the helping verb, are also part of the verb, but they are not action verb. They are belonging to the verb by possession. Okay, now we said three types of verb. First we said action verb or doing verb, all the actions. For example, go, do, then come, smile, then write, read, walk. All these are belonging to the action verb or doing verb. We will call doing verb. Then like am, is, are, was, were is also verb. They are part of state of being. And the other is state possession, means has, have, had. These are also belonging to the verb. Then what definition we can give to the verb? A verb is a word used to express an action. That action doing verb, no, we said doing verb or state. For example, is, are. She is, she was. Okay, she is, are, was, were. Then possession, has, have, had. All these three items are included in a verb. Once again I will repeat the definition. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. Okay, I will say one example. She is a beautiful girl. Now let us see this word. She is a beautiful girl. Everyone look here. She is a beautiful girl. I write here. Then here is there any action word? Do you see any action word here? There is no action word. Only here is here. Okay, what is here? Is. Then this is a verb, is a state of being. What it is showing is a state of being. For example, if I write, she sing a song. Okay, now let us check this word sentence. She sing a song. Okay, she subject sing a song. There is a sing. Sing means is a doing word, action. Then this is action verb. Okay, do you understand the difference between the action verb and the state of being? Okay, important is to understand, but this one sing also verb and is also is a part of the verb. Now let us go and see there are two kinds of verb. Everyone got it? What is verb? Now there are two types of verbs. Okay, one is transitive verb. The other verb is intransitive verb. Okay, there are two kinds of verb. One is transitive, then other is intransitive. Okay, first one we will see transitive verb. In your textbook, there is one example. Now we will see that example, then you will understand. We ate mangoes. This is from the chapter 18, the verb. Okay, example is from the chapter 18 about the verb. Chapter name is the verb. Okay, we ate mangoes. Now let us analyze this sentence. We, subject, ate is a verb, action verb, no? Action doing word. This is a action verb, mangoes. Okay, then now we are asking what she ate is asking a question. What she ate or what he ate? He ate mangoes. Means this sentence is complete. There is one object. We can call it a object. The sentence make a complete sense. Because of that, this is called mangoes is here object. Then we are asking what she ate. She ate mangoes or we ate mangoes. Then when we will ask to that sentence asking question with what, if there is answer means there is object, those type of sentences we will call transitive verb. Okay, once again I will repeat. You can see in the textbook also is clearly written. In the first sentence that we ate mangoes, the verb is ate, which requires an object to complete its sense. It is called a transitive verb. Okay, if you don't understand this one, you just ask to the sentence with the question what. What we ate? We ate mangoes. Means there is answer to that question. Then that is why this sentence is a transitive verb. Okay, now let us go and see what is intransitive verb. Again, you can check in the second example of the textbook. The girl laughed. The girl laughed. Now we can ask the girl. What the girl? Is there any answer? What the girl laughed? No answer. Nothing is there. Then there is no object. There is no require any object. Okay, those verb we will call intransitive verb. Okay, students, hope you understand the transitive verb and the intransitive verb. Okay, now I will give you the homework. No need to write from the textbook. You can write yourself. First make 5 sentences with action verb. Then another 5 sentences with state of being. Means is, are, was, were. Then another 5 sentences with possession. Means has, have, had. Okay, then 15 sentences for this this with verb. Then 5 sentences make it, simply make it and you can divide the sentences transitive or intransitive. Okay, make 5 sentences, then that if that one sentence is transitive, the other sentence you can make it intransitive. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, thank you.